Hello, good morning everyone. For today's video is all about draining and cleaning the pool, guys. Ito drain namin kahapon. Ito na. Ito na si Lola maglilinis. You can see all these dirts. Oh my God. So, ito na yung 2 weeks na water, guys. So, ito. Ngayon naman, hindi ko pa drain to kasi may walk-in. At least they can, pangsamantala lang, guys. So, ito ngayon, yung kiddie pool. Dito ngayon si Buddy. Ilalay ko yan, guys. Taga, taga, ano, taga Anawa. So, she's my beautiful and adorable pet. And at the same time, nagbabark siya, guys. If someone's coming, kahit man kilala niya at hindi. So, doorbell ko yan, guys. So, ngayon, maglilinis ako ngayon. And what we all need now is, ito hindi na drain, guys. So, this is still very clean, good. But I want to satisfy my clients, my guests, para naman fresh ang water natin. Not just because we have chlorine, we have tablet, and everything there. Kailangan pa rin ang fresh, guys, for satisfaction and for cleanliness. Yes, ito ngayon ang view, and at the same time, malapit na rin matapos yung hall. Hindi ko alam sabihin na waiting shed. It's a hall, open hall, guys. Good for 30 to 50 packs, guys. Of course, yung packs na dito na sa pool party. Ayan, yan. Pool area. And this one, if they accommodate all this place for wedding, can be, guys. So, super malawak, guys. So, ito, ngayon si Lola nyo. Now, I have to start cleaning na para naman hindi tayo maabutan ng araw. At the same time, I'm going to put my camera here. Yes, hindi pa naman basa. I'm going to put my camera in. All what I need now is, lagay ko na lang. Mainit na daw, may araw na. Nagsayot na ako kanina dyan sa kabilang, I'm gonna show you. Naglinis na ako dyan. Naglinis na ako kanina dyan sa my kiddie pool. At the same time, so clear. Malinis na malinis, guys. And of course, andito si Lola. Dinain namin tong isa lang muna kasi may walk-in eh. Mahirap naman na hindi sila happy na, oh my God, see? Nagpalit ako nito para naman fresh at kung matubigan ako, hindi problema. Kung sakali, wow, what we need is here. Pangsayot ng mga animal lovers. Diyan lang yung mga, alam niyo na kung ano yung masasayot dito. Dumi, hair, mga, hindi na natin, just being honest, mga karag siguro kasi hindi pa naman ako nakasayot ng karag. So, just to make sure na meron tayong panlinis dito. Mga flies at saka yung nag-fly away na may sinusunog na corn, green leaves, mga dahon-dahon. Itong sinasayot natin, guys. So, I have to leave this one first here. What all we need here now is, ito, guys, ginagamit ko. Pang pool lang talaga to. We have separate those toilets, house thingy, and everything. We have so many like this. Kung sino man ang bahay na maraming ganito, ako yun, guys. Bahay pa na I consider this is my home. This is my house. So, hindi ko pa rin sinabing pang public to or ano. Pwede rin, pero itong sinasabi ko. May sarili silang destiny. And of course, this broom, this is for outside actually. Pero wala akong isa pa lang ngayon. Linabahan ko na kasi for the tiles, ang daming buhangin. So many buhangin, guys, to be clean. So, kailangan talaga itong dalawa. At the same time, ito ngayon, kailangan natin ang patalastas, hindi ko nang sasabihin yung pangalan. Kailangan ito ngayon para naman matanggal. And of course, sa big brush, meron pa nito, guys. Nilagyan ko to kasi iba na yung mata ko. And of course, sponge for the tiles, guys. Para na lang ang tanggalin natin yung linya niyan. May linya na yan yung tubig. So, ngayon maglilinis tayo ngayon, guys. Ito ang trabaho ni Lola. Have to start collecting some water para naman at andito na, bebe na yung tubig guys. I have to get some water para naman, ano, ang daming fan, of course, everywhere. Kahit sa beach, maraming inday. So, we have so many fans. Hair, wala namang hair kasi everyday nililinisan natin yan, ginabakit natin dyan para naman safe ang mga naliligo. And at the same time, we don't want to preserve all the green here. Alam nyo na yung mga lumot. Hindi yan na ano, punong-puno rin ito ng chlorine gas. So yeah, para naman malinis itong pool natin. And I notice it, talaga namang lagyan ko muna ng tubig dito para tanggalin ko itong chinelas ko muna. Gusto ko lang siya malinisan. Pero nalinisan ako kahapon because last night we drained this one in my kasi dito kami nag-overtime for the client. Kasi mas magandang mag-drain ng night time. Mas maganda pa sana na malagyan ito kahapon kaso nga hindi kami nakalinis. So of course we need to clean well. Ganito ang trabaho ni Lola. So until here na lang ako guys. So kung balak niyong magpa-pool, make sure na kumpleto rin ang staff natin. Ako nga lang ang staff tsaka yung cousin ko. And of course my PA, mayroon siyang part-time na iba. So ito ngayon ang trabaho ni Lola guys. So hope you can come and visit Whispering Greens Villa and Events Place in Sawmill, Villa Verde, Nueva Vizcaya guys. So kung gusto nyo man mag-book ng staycation for a night, please inquire kasi paiba-iba ang price guys. It depende kung ilan ang laman ng isang room. Kasi meron namang magdarlingan, meron namang magbarkadahan, they want to spend the night and day here, night or day in the pool or even in the villa. So you can inquire. Hindi naman tayo mahirap kausapin. I'm easy to go with. So yun lang. Gusto ko naman yung idea nyo how much mga presyo natin ngayon kasi still soft opening and I don't have to hire so many people at the moment. So para naman maranasan natin ang mapunta as being a queen and a princess and a prince in the room. Pwede kayong mag-inquire guys. So yes, now I have to start cleaning guys. So nakikita nyo naman siguro yung villa na yan. Wow. Oh my God, super init na. So, yun ang villa for rent, for staycation, guys. So, yeah. Patapos na, guys. So, okay. Meron nang nanirahan dyan. Oh, it's okay. Yan ang events place, guys. Accommodates 100 to 150. Standing, Okay, nanloko na naman ako. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And here's the likod nito. Yes. Yung surrounding by mountain and beautiful houses up there. House pala there up there. And of course, there you go. Thank you for watching guys and hope to see you again. And again, be happy and God bless. See you around. Bye.